Olden Son, God of leg day today. Let's go. All right, guys, so it's been an absolute minute since I filmed a legit just workout vlog. Everything's been like family, you know, getting ready for a show, full day of eating, you know, whatnot. It's been a while since I've just done a strict training video. And again, everyone always does back day, arm day, chest day. But you know me, guys, my best quality is legs. So we're gonna bring you through a leg day, just raw. Well, I was gonna say uncut, but there'll probably be some cuts because if you know me, I kind of get intense during these workouts, and sometimes I say a couple of words that I typically don't say. So we like to keep this channel PG for the kids. I know the kids watch.
Yeah, if you guys want.
If you want the unrated version, go to Ross's channel. Ross right there. Yeah. And you'll get the unrated version, but with me, guys, we keep it PG. It is a leg day, like I said, so we're gonna bring you along through this leg day. This is Ross's last leg day session before he gets ready for his show in Orlando Nationals, so that's a big show for him. Probably gonna be intense, it's gonna be fun, but I encourage you guys to do this leg day workout, okay? Do this training day leg workout, come back to this video, let me know what you guys think. Was it intense enough? It's all about pushing yourself, okay? So you can follow any workout plan, any training plan you want, but if you're just gonna half-ass it, you're gonna get nothing out of it. So watch this video, get the motivation on your next leg day, give it all you got, come back to the video and let me know what you guys think. Enough talking, let's get into it, baby.
First working set here. So, like I said, we're gonna load the shortened, which is right there, load the lengthened. There we go, go. Good. Come on, squeeze, Logan. Yes, right there. Good work. Come on. Going 20 reps here. No relaxing. Good. No relaxing. More at the bottom. More time on the bottom. There we go. Good. Come on, finish. Good. Good. Nice. Nice and lean. Good. Come on. Drop it. Let's go. Real squeeze here. Come on. Good. Good, Logan. Big legs here. Come on, need to improve these. Improve the hamstrings. Finish. What's that? Next, first compound motion, we got hack squats. We're gonna go close stance here. You wanna work that outer sweep. Because from here, we're gonna go to leg press with a wide stance. Yeah, there you go. Try not to rely on the hands. You gotta start. You gotta hold them there. Good. Right here. There we go. Good. Going 15, 20.
It's about to get ugly.
Come on. Come on. There you go. Outers. Good. How's that weight?
That was good. That was a good little startup set.
Set 3.
Set 3.
Second working set.
Second we're gonna go for 15.
No, we're gonna go for 20. Don't sell yourself short.
All right, go for 20.
You got 20 last set. Come on, bro.
I'm being a beep.
Yeah, you're being a little beep.
Let's go.
Good. Come on. Let's go, Logan. Come on, man up. What number you at?
10.
Last 10. 8 more.
30.
Come on.
40. 50. 60.
4 more.
80.
Let's go. Last one. Good set. Good set, bro. So we've been doing sets of 20.
Yeah.
His goal here is to not get to 20. Hear me?
Okay.
Don't get to 20.
Okay.
Don't quit. Fail.
Okay.
Let's go. Come on, bro.
1.
Come on, squeeze it.
2.
Perfect.
3.
Come on, don't get 20.
4. 5.
This better not be easier. Good, Logan. Good. Oh, yeah. Rick, give me a little help. Come on.
Come on! I ain't helping you, bud. Do it yourself.
Remember you at.
I love it.
Do it.
Let's go, 3 more.
You do it. I'm not helping you. You do it. Say you can do it. I ain't helping you. Do it.
Fuck. Going wide.
Hitting those adductors
All right, guys.
right there.
Exercise 3. Let's go. Going for 15 to 20.
Nice and slow. Slow on the way down.
I was like, this thumbs up.
Good, Logan. Come on, don't be a little bitch here. Lower. Right there. Good. Come on. Come on, bro. 7 more. Don't quit here, man. Says you want to be one, right? Come on. Don't be all show. Don't be all talk. George. Come on.
30.
6 more.
14. 15.
5 more.
16.
Let's go.
9.
Good shit. Good work, bro. We call these the hospice curls. The old ass man. Come on.
There we go.
Life alert. Good, bro. 20 reps.
2. 4. 6. 7. Hey.
What's your keto level?
9. Like
You're
4.
4, man.
0.5 nutritional ketosis.
3.14. Come on.
7. 8.
Last one.
6.
Good job, Logan.
All right, guys. So there you go. That's our leg day workout. As you can see, it was pretty intense. I'll tell you this, guys. I've been working out by myself a lot lately since the gyms opened back up in Texas. And I've noticed that obviously my workouts have gone down. Not able to push myself as much when I'm by myself. Don't have that motivation with a gym partner, someone like Ross, pushing me. And so my workouts, I can tell, have dramatically gone down in intensity. And the only reason why I know that is because when I do go back and train with Ross, I feel like I want to throw up. After every set, I'm laying on the floor like I'm just wrecked. And so it's always good to go back to that intensity, go back to those workouts with Ross, but then it also does suck because the next couple of days I can't walk. And you know, this is something I've been thinking about a lot lately. As you guys may or may not know this, I did compete 2 weeks ago in my first ever bodybuilding competition, and I loved it. Had a great time. I didn't get the placing that I want, but it's okay. We only had 11-day notice. If I had much more time, I think I would have done a lot better. But needless to say, bodybuilding, becoming a bodybuilder, I've been struggling with, is this what I want to do? Is this the route I wanna go down? I do love it, I do enjoy it. I take everything into account, guys. I'm a father. I got technically 2 jobs and I'm an entrepreneur, okay? Full-time husband, full-time family man. I still find time to go to the gym. I don't use excuses. Anybody can use excuses, I can use excuses. Why I can't go to the gym, why I can't push myself. I don't let anything get in my way. That's always been my greatest trait and my greatest failure. I say this because this is something me and my wife argue about a lot. One of her biggest pet peeves is that when I think of something, I become obsessed with it. And that's all I can think about, to the point where I neglect a lot of things. And so, you know, when I was getting ready for the show, becoming a bodybuilder, I neglect a lot of things. And I mean everything. And I get this tunnel vision, and it's a great trait to have, but also a great failure. To go back to my original statement, I struggle with, do I want to be a bodybuilder or do I not want to be one? Something that Ross has asked me plenty of times. Not because he pushes me, he wants me to be a bodybuilder. He wants whatever I want. If I want to be a bodybuilder, then he's like, I know you can do it. If you don't, and family and everything else is more important, then great, I want you to do that. And so that's what I'm struggling with right now, because I know what it takes. I know what level you have to go to, and I know that tunnel vision you need to have if you want to be a bodybuilder. And so I struggle with that every single day. Do I want that? You got to give or take. You only have so much time. You only have so many resources in your life. If that's what you want to be, well, then you got to take a little bit from your family. You got to take a little bit from your kids. You got to take a little bit from your friends. You got to take a little bit from your parents. You got to take a little bit from your job. Again, this is just a rant, maybe even a therapy session, because I really have no idea where I was going with this conversation. But it's just definitely something I wanted to share with you guys, because it's something that I'm struggling with. I love the training. I love the competitiveness, pushing myself to the limit. It's all about finding that ultimate balance. Can I find that balance of still being everything for my family, everything for my daughter, everything for my parents, everything for my friends, being there for everybody, my work, my job, my business, all while still competing at the highest level of being a bodybuilder, all the highest level that I can accomplish being a bodybuilder. And that's where I'm gonna struggle with. We're gonna find out. We're gonna find out in 2021 whether I can do it. So I'm gonna share my journey with you guys, running a business, being a family man, trying to be a bodybuilder all at once, and let's see if we can do it. So anyways, guys, this is my little rant. You know, I absolutely love you. I love support. Let me know about this workout. Comment down below if you come back to this video and you tried it. Remember, give the intensity. The intensity needs to be 10 out of 10, nothing less, okay? I'll see you on the next video. I absolutely love you guys. Peace.
It's about to get ugly.